Very good morning to all. This lecture is about cloud orchestration and load balancing, and the code is TCS 750. Myself, Dr. Sachin Sharma. I'm going to discuss Unit 4 Heat Orchestration Services, Heat Orchestration Template. Will explain the main execution flow, scheduling, and fault tolerance concepts in the map reduce programming model. Recall heat. The orchestration service for OpenStack, which is officially supports Grizzly release, it also uses the templating mechanism. It controls the complex groups of cloud resources. Heat ideas and standards. AWS Cloud Formation, TOSCA. T stands for topology, O stands for orchestration, S stands for specification for, C stands for cloud, and A stands for applications. The basic of heat. Um, I hope many of you familiar about the stack. What is a stack? Stack is a group of connected cloud resources which consist of virtual machines, volumes, networks, etc. It has auto scaling and HA mechanism for different levels services running inside an instance, individual instances, and the stacks, and the nested stacks which are connected to each other through nest. The template is one of the basic of heat. The stacks are created from templates. The heat templates have the same structure and abstraction as AWS Cloud Formation templates. If you're familiar about the AWS Cloud Formation templates, it will be pretty easy for you to understand the role of heat using the template and the resource mapping in the next OpenStack release. And the templates are well integrated with Chef and Puppet. This is the basic workflow of heat. Uh, A user use the heat CLI tools which is connected to heat API and CloudWatch API. Both are connected to MQ and connect to heat engine which consists of vector task, scaling policy, and auto scaling group. And the heat engine connect to the database. The heat engine and CloudWatch API, it synchronize with the virtual machines which situated at stack and which is also part of the OpenStack. As you can see in the workflow that how the different components they simultaneously connected to each other and how they synchronize to each other and how they tightly correlated with heat CLI tools. What is the role of Heat API in the workflow? Heat API, it's OpenStack native REST API, which is also called Heat API CFN, which provides AWS Query API. The role of Heat API is to provide the communication with Heat engine and tells that what action has to done. Heat engine. Heat engine basically does the all the orchestration work. Heat engine has the layer on which resource integration is implemented. The heat engine contains abstract to use the auto scaling and high availability. So abstraction is very important in heat engine. Heat CloudWatch API. So ideologically, it refers to the AWS CloudWatch service, which gets the metrics from stacks. And the Heat CloudWatch API will be replaced by Ceilometer, and this used for auto scaling. What is the role of Heat CLI tools? The Heat client uses Heat REST API, and Heat CFN uses Heat Cloud Formation compatible API, which is deprecated. The tools plays a major role with the connectivity to the users. The Heat autoscaling principles. The agents are installed to the virtual machines. They send virtual machine telemetry to the monitoring component periodically. Monitoring component such as Heat CloudWatch is responsible for the communication between virtual machines and Heat, and the core functionality which is implemented in Heat Engine provides the scaling itself. So these are the principles of Heat auto scaling. That's it for the day. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Thank you.